Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Archer Queen banner in Clash of Clans. The banner you see for your Archer Queen is not a separate item, but rather a visual representation of the hero skin she is currently wearing. Therefore, the only way to change or acquire a new banner is by obtaining and equipping different Archer Queen skins. There are several ways to acquire new Archer Queen skins. Many exclusive skins are offered as rewards in the Seasonal Gold Pass, which typically costs around $5. You can also purchase skins directly from the in-game shop using gems, usually costing 1,500 gems, or with real-world currency through special offers. Keep an eye on event trackers too, as they sometimes feature unique skin rewards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Once you have acquired an Archer Queen skin, displaying its corresponding banner is straightforward. Navigate to your hero hall and tap on the Archer Queen. You will see a hanger icon on her profile. Tap this to open her skin collection. From there, simply select the skin you wish to use, and her appearance along with her banner will update immediately. This new look will be visible to all players. 7. Remember, you can start collecting Archer Queen skins even before you unlock the hero herself, which happens at Town Hall 9 by building her altar for 40,000 Dark Elixir. All your collected skins will be waiting for you. For a bit of fun, activate the hero skin randomizer in the hero hall to have a different skin assigned to your queen each time you log in or return from an attack. 7, 9, 11, 13.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.